Welcome to FillFaster. In this video, we'll show you how to easily create template forms to streamline your workflow. Starting from your dashboard, click on Create New Form and select Create Template Form from the drop-down menu. Next, upload your PDF document. You can drag and drop your file or choose it from your computer. Once uploaded, give your form a clear title and click Start Building. Now, let's mark the fields. Select the name type and draw a box over the full name area. You can set it as a required field. Next, do the same for the date field, ensuring it's accurately placed. Continue adding fields like street address, city, and email. For each field, you can customize the label and settings on the right panel to ensure your form captures exactly what you need. With everything set, click Create and Get Link at the top right. You'll immediately see a success message with your form's unique URL, which you can copy or share directly. And that's it, your form is live. Thank you for choosing FillFaster. Follow us on our social channels for more tips and features.